Get ready. Start. Sir, the Commissioner of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes has reported inadequacy of staff. This has also been recognized by the Home Ministry, but he has not been allowed to fill up the posts. The efficiency of the staff should not be allowed to be sacrificed on the altar of economy. Sir, I intend to draw the attention of the Honorable Minister in this regard. While there is surplus staff declared, why can some of that staff not be utilized for the betterment of this department? Sir, evaluation cells have not been set up recently at the central and state levels. These cells have been doing very valuable work, but it would have been much better if the reports should have been available at the time of the discussion. The census report with regard to the progress of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes is not available because the policy of the government is not to give or collect information in this report caste or community wise. It is more than a decade and a half since the welfare of the backward classes and the question of removal of untouchability have become an article of faith and an important plank in the policy of the government. Sir, as the backward classes are backward socially, economically, and politically, the government has declared that the backward classes should come up to the level of the other communities and assimilate themselves with the rest of the community. With that intention, the government has declared further that backward classes, being a part and parcel of the Indian community, are entitled to receive the benefits of the general development schemes, and as they are backward, further special measures have been provided to accelerate their progress. Sir, the intention of the government is very clear. It is as clear as crystal that the backward classes should come up to the level of the rest of the community and they should benefit from the general development of the country. With the same object, every year we see large amount of money being provided in increasing skills for the welfare activities of the backward classes. Also necessary legislations have been enacted both at the central as well as the state levels. Times without number, various executive orders have been issued to enable the backward classes in our country to get the benefits of the various measures enacted by this parliament.